Like, look how pigmented that swatch is. But then when I go to put it on the lid, at least it blends with the finger. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a first impression and review on the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. And I am definitely obsessed with warm browns, but look at this. Like, oh my god, it's just so beautiful. And right off the bat, this color right here looks very similar to Soft Brown or Wedge from MAC, and those are my favorite colors, so I'm really excited to dig into this palette. So this little palette, I believe, is $35 Canadian, and I think that's a really good price for 9 eyeshadows. So if you guys are interested in seeing how this palette works, then just keep on watching. My eyebrows are concealed. I'm now going to go in with some primer. This is the Soft Ochre Primer by MAC. It's Pro Longwear Paint. So the first color I'm going to be taking is this color right here. It's just an off-white shade. And I'm going to be taking that on a white fluffy brush. So we're just going to start with that cream color, and I'm going to apply this all over the lid. So the next color I'm going to be taking is this one right here, and it's just like that very bright peach color. And we're just going to go for it, and I'm just going to apply this right in the middle in the socket and really build up that color. And I'm just going to do smaller circular motions. Wow, this eyeshadow is just so pigmented. Now I'm going to be taking this orange color here. So now I'm taking this color right here. I can't seem to get the dark colors to blend on top of the light colors. Okay, we're going to move on. We're going to use this color right here. Let's darken it right up. Let's see what happens. Do you guys see that? Like, it swatches pigmented. Like, look how pigmented that swatch is. But then when I go to put it on the lid, it just doesn't come off the brush. Okay, we're gonna try a synthetic brush. Okay, we're gonna start this over. All right, I'm back. I'm kind of like pissed. I really love Huda Beauty, and I love that other palette, and I know that I usually start with light colors and build up to dark colors, and it works for me. So I don't know what happened today. What I think I'm going to try is not putting the cream color all over the lid first before going in with other colors. I'm just going to go right in with the color. I kind of want to still use that peach color, so I want to start with that color. So let's do that. And I'm taking this on a black synthetic brush. And let's see if anything else happens. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm taking the brush that I was using before with the remaining and doing the circular motions around the perimeter. And I'm just very lightly feathering it in circular motions. So I kind of just want to go in the same order like I did before. So let's go to the orange, see what happens. Because this really wasn't building up either, so. Okay, so the next color I'm going to take, be taking is this red color right here on the same brush. And we're going to see, oh yeah, right away, see? Okay, so that was definitely the issue because I did everything the exact same except for setting the whole thing with the nude color. So now I'm going to be taking this color here, which is like a burnt browny red color. So now I'm going to be taking this maroon color here and I'm going to put this all under the lower lash line. Alright, we're going to try to use the darkest color. I feel like as we go darker, it gets harder to blend for some weird reason. That's not normally an issue for me. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking a clean little tapered brush and the darkest color from the palette. And I think I've used all of them except for this one, but we're going to use it on the brow bone soon. So, and the glitter of course, but that's going to go on the lid. And I'm going to start by tapping it on the outer edge. Looks like it's building up pretty well. And then I'm just going to bring it in the inner corner a little bit. Blending decent. I'm not going to say amazing, but it's blending decent. So the next thing I'm going to do is actually go back to this shade and with the exact same brush that I just used the darker color with, dip a little bit in there and really, really lightly dust this on the perimeters between the two. So I just took a little bit of the pink first color and went over that whole outside area and just brought it out a tiny bit. So for some reason I still don't find this color that pigmented. I'm actually quite disappointed because it's not picking up to certain areas and then really pigmented other areas, so so I'm going to try something different. I'm going to take a little pencil brush and dig into that really dark color and build up the pigment before actually blending. And I'm going to have a shit ton of fallout, but fuck it. So next I think I'm going to take that cream color, the evil cream color that destroyed my first look, but that's okay. We are going to brush this on the brow bone and kind of give this eyeshadow some shape. I feel like I am determined to build up this color to look like this, so I'm going in with my finger. I don't care. At this point, like, what else can I do, really? Look how much better that is. Why? Why is it not pigmented when you use a brush? Like, what did I do to you, Huda? Well, at least it blends with the finger. Alright, so before adding the glittery color, I am going to cut my crease with the Pro Longwear Paint Pot by MAC in Soft Ochre. Okay, so now you just want to blend the colors in with your finger. Alright, so we pretty much just covered everything that I just worked hard for. So we are going to put that dark color back onto the end of the eye, which seems to be picking up way better now that that is laid down there. Okay, so now that that is all done, we are going to take that shimmery color and I'm going to actually apply this with my finger. Oh my god. So before we put on the lashes and everything, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line just a tiny, tiny bit. Look at all that fallout. Do you see that? That's from one color. Okay, so this is what I created. Please don't mind all the fallout on my face. I'm going to go fix all that up, put some liner on, put lashes on, and I will be right back to show you guys my final look and my final thoughts, although you guys probably already know what I'm gonna say. I mean, the eyeshadow look turned out pretty, but that was a lot of work for me to get it to look like this. So yeah. Wow. What liner and lashes do though, like, and highlighter of course. So I put on some lashes. I was trying to look everywhere for my Huda Beauty lashes, but unfortunately I believe that they broke and they like fell apart, so because I used them so many times and I just haven't gone around to getting new ones. So what I used today was actually Dodo Lashes, because the Dodo Lashes are like very, very similar to the Huda Beauty lashes, I feel. So these are the Dodo 307s. Yeah, and then I just went a little heavier on the liner so then it just looked darker, because I did not like that dark shadow. It did not want to get pigmented for me. So I am going to throw a lip on and I will see you guys in a sec. Okay guys, so this is the final look and this is how the eyeshadow turned out from using the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. And honestly, I do like how it turned out and these eyeshadows are good, but I just feel like when it gets to the darker shades, it's very, very difficult to blend on top of each other. So I don't know if it's just because I've tried to build up too many colors, or I should have just went in with the darkest color first and then added light around it. But I am going to give this palette a couple more tries and I will keep you guys posted on my Instagram. So the eyeshadow look overall was good, but kind of upset about the darker shades in this palette, but the shine color is unreal and all the transition colors blend flawlessly. So I do recommend it, but I don't. I'm kind of in the middle about it. So yeah, so that is it for this video today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys had similar experiences with the Huda Beauty mini palettes, then please let me know in the comments. I would love to know. And also, if you guys think that I did something wrong that might have caused that, then also let me know in the comments. I'd like to discuss about it, because it's kind of frustrating, because I love Huda Beauty and I love her palettes, I love her eyeshadows, but to see that happen almost twice in one video, it's very, very frustrating. So that is it for the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions palette. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Have a beautiful day.